of Southeast Asia lies a world teeming with secrets. A realm draped in perpetual twilight beneath a canopy of giants, where the very air hums with the chorus of unseen life. For millennia, these jungles have been the cradle of an extraordinary diversity of creatures, each playing its part in a complex, interwoven drama. From the highest branches, where sunlight dapples the leaves, to the darkest corners of the forest floor, life persists in a breathtaking array of forms, colors, sounds. It is a world of exquisite beauty and constant struggle, a place of ancient rhythms and surprising discoveries. Our journey takes us deep into this hidden heart, far from the well-trodden paths. Here, technology allows us to witness moments of profound intimacy and spectacular behavior that have, until now, remained largely beyond human sight. We will listen to the symphony of the forest, piercing calls of exotic birds, gentle murmur of water carving its way through stone. It is a chance to meet the remarkable inhabitants of these secret jungles, to understand their lives, their challenges, and their vital role in the health of our planet. We begin our exploration where the forest is at its most vibrant, in the sunlit layers of the canopy. This is the domain of the birds, creatures of dazzling color and astonishing voice. They are the messengers of the jungle, their movements and calls painting a living picture of the forest's daily life. Let us draw closer, and with patience, perhaps we will be granted a glimpse into their spectacular world, a world that reveals the true, untamed spirit of Asia's wild places. Here, perched amidst the emerald foliage, is a creature of almost impossible vibrancy, the silver-breasted broadbill. Its plumage is a painter's palette, a striking black cap, a brilliant silver bib that gives it its name, and wings and back washed in hues of vivid green and electric blue. It is a small bird, no larger than a sparrow, yet its presence is utterly captivating. Every feather seems perfectly placed, a testament to the intricate artistry of evolution. It sits for a moment in stillness, a living gem set against the deep green of its world. Suddenly the silence is broken. It emits a curious, almost mechanical call, a rapid series of high-pitched, cicada-like trills that rise in a crescendo. This is not a song of gentle melody, but a sharp, insistent declaration of territory and presence. Broadbills, this sound is an unmistakable signal, marking the boundaries of its domain. For the myriad other creatures of the canopy, jungle's constant, complex soundscape, a familiar note in the daily orchestra of the forest. This bird's role extends far beyond its dazzling appearance and unique call. Insectivore, a master of the hunt. With a flick of its head, it surveys its surroundings, its sharp eyes scanning for the slightest movement. Immense and ancient tapestry, a perfect example of how the delicate of creatures contributes to the grand resilience of the jungle. The Asian jungle conceals creatures so rare, so unusual, that a lifetime of searching may yield. Among these phantoms is the Sunda pangolin, an animal that seems to belong to a bygone age. Clad in an armor of overlapping keratin scales, it is a shy, nocturnal, and anteater by trade. Its formidable claws to tear into termite mounds. Tragically, unique armor is also its curse, making it one of the most trafficked mammals on Earth. The so-called flying lemur. It neither flies nor is it a lemur. It is a master glider. Its a vast membrane of skin that connects its neck, limbs, its tail. It can soar over 100 meters from tree to tree. It feeds on flowers. The bear cat, a creature of striking appearance and peculiar habits. A body like a small bear, a long prehensile tail like a monkey's, one of only two carnivore tail. It uses the tail as a fifth limb for balance and grip. It leaves a most unusual calling card, a scent that smells like buttered popcorn, produced under its tail. The survival of these animals hangs in a precarious balance. The pangolin's scales, the colugo's ancient forest home, the binturong's sprawling territory, all are under threat from habitat loss and human activity. Each is a unique evolutionary path, a tree of life. To see them, even for a moment, is to witness a treasure. To journey through this dense wilderness is an act of sensory immersion. The air grows cooler. The omnipresent hum of insects is gradually overlaid by a new sound, a low, distant rumble that grows steadily into a powerful roar. It is the voice of water calling from a hidden chamber within the forest, pushing through a final curtain of giant ferns and hanging. The source is revealed, a secluded waterfall, thundering into a secret amphitheater. It is a place that feels untouched, primeval. The a fine, cool mist billowing in the air, clinging to every surface, refracting the scant sunlight into fleeting miniature rainbows. The sound is all-encompassing, a constant, deep-throated roar that drowns out all else, vibrating through the soles of the feet. It is the raw, untamed power of nature. Life doesn't just surround this place, it is drawn to it, nourished by it. The mosses and ferns that cling to the sheer rock faces are thicker and greener here than anywhere else, thriving in perpetual dampness. In the spray zone, tiny frogs hunt for insects attracted by the moisture. Dragonflies with iridescent wings control the edges, their lineage ancient. This waterfall is not just a feature of the landscape, it is the heart of a unique, thriving community. These hidden cascades are vital oases, creating microclimates and specialized habitats that support the health of biodiversity. They are the circulatory system of the jungle, carrying water, nutrients, and life from the highlands to the forest floor. To stand in their presence is to feel the relentless pulse of the planet itself, a force of creation shaping this secret world for eons. High above the forest floor, a voice rings out, clear and powerful. It is the morning call of the and gibbon, a song that defines the soundscape of the Bornean and Sumatran rainforest. This is not a simple chirp or squawk. It is a complex, bubbling duet, announcing presence, reinforcing, defending territory. These small apes are masters of their arboreal realm, for life in the trees, moving with breathtaking agility. Life for a gibbon family is tight, monogamous, and their offspring form a close unit, learning root complex vocalizations. Despite their mastery of the treetops, their agriculture fragments their home. These apes cannot cross open ground. Song is becoming rarer. In the lower canopy, amidst a profusion of flowering vines, a tiny dynamo is at work. A sunbird, a creature of frantic energy and dazzling beauty. In particular, is a living jewel. The bird's life is powered by sugar, or perfectly adapted with a long, curved bill and a specialized tongue. Beating at an almost invisible speed, it hovers like a hummingbird, reaching flowers otherwise out of bounds. In its quest for nectar, the crimson sunbird performs service. Dusting its head with pollen, it carries life from bloom to bloom. The glittering bird is a crucial link in the forest's regeneration. Its frantic search for fuel is, in fact, an act of creation, ensuring the flowers will continue to bloom. A loud, whooshing sound, like a steam train passing over, announces the arrival of one of the jungle's most iconic inhabitants. It is the sound of an Asian hornbill in flight. Magnificent, recognizable by an enormous casque. Surprisingly lightweight, made of hollow tin. Its exact purpose is debated, amplifying calls, signaling, even aiding in disputes. Primarily frugivores, their huge are delicately dexterous, and they travel vast distances following fruiting trees. They are the farmers of the forest, dispersing seeds, the large ones, over wide areas. Hornbills plant the future forest, ensuring diversity and resilience. The female seed cavity, fed arrow slit, a strategy of absolute trust that shields the family from danger. As darkness falls, a different set of characters begins to stir in the tangled branches. a pair of huge out into the gloom. They belong to the Bengal slow loris, a primate on a different path, exceptionally slow, deliberate, and silent. It does not leap or swing, it flows. Its hands and feet hold with a vice-like grip. By moving without a sound and with minimal motion, it avoids nocturnal predators, like gentle-looking, yet one of the few venomous mammals. Secrete a toxin, mixed with saliva. A bite can cause pain, swelling, even shock. It stalks insects with patience, reaches out slowly, then snatches fast. A specialized comb helps it scrape bark for gum, a perfect hunter of the night. Of all the predators in the Asian jungle, none is more enigmatic than the clouded leopard. A myth and shadow, with cloud-like blotches, unique features, exceptionally long canines, unusually large paws, hind ankles that rotate for head-first descents. It can hang inverted. Its long tail is a counterweight, and hauling prey aloft. Sightings are rare, favoring the most remote forests. Camera traps grant fleeting wind, threatened by deforestation and the illegal wildlife. After a torrential downpour, the jungle floor is transformed. Water gathers in countless ephemeral pools. The plunge pool is a place of immense constant energy, cooled, sculpting the river. Slipping beneath reveals oxygen-rich water that supports a unique aquatic community. Fast the torrents, sleek form, powerful fins, feeding on insects and organic matter washed over the falls. Pebbles settle where flow eases. Fine sediments cloud the depths as bottom dwellers taste and feel their. The water leaving is cooler, differently loaded with sediments, shaping the stream for miles. A powerful engine of change, a hotspot driving life downstream. Our journey through Asia's secret jungles has revealed a world of astonishing complexity and breathtaking beauty. From the grandest hornbill to the tiniest frog, each creature is a masterpiece of evolution. These forests are living, breathing entities, intricate tapestries woven from But this world, for all its resilience, is profoundly fragile. The shadows that conceal the clouded leopard are shrinking. The ancient trees are disappearing. The delicate balance is threatened by us. Yet the future is not yet written. Their fate rests in. By understanding their importance, appreciating and recognizing connection, we can protect. These secret worlds are treasures beyond generations to come.